Yes, this is Durbabu, stock market analysis and how to invest into the stock market. So first, to begin with, you might ask a question whether I am a profitable trader or as a loss-making trader. So mine is initial stages. I'm a loss-making trader, and I made some amount of profit. So where I within the 10 years, what my experience I'm going to share. So in that, what I did is I invested into gold. There also I got some profits. So leave the amount and leave the things. Here, what I did is recent. My trading style is what I figured out is I'm getting the money and then again losing the money. I'm getting the money. This is a cycle what I went. And one more thing is how to invest in a market. Just you have to learn the one habit is you can invest a money whatever you want. Suppose you have 50,000, you can invest it. So but I am talking about only, I am not a equity investor anymore, because equity will not give a big returns in a short period of time. So I totally avoided the equity. It doesn't mean that I don't like equity. I started with equity gave a lot of profits to me in the 2024. 2024 is a golden year for the investment. Why I'm saying this is, if you see mid caps were grown with 3 to 4 times, 4x, 5x, and also parallel trading of this government stocks, suppose PSU stocks, public sector stocks. So where the profitability was increased, and parallel trading means, what I want to say is it is in the books also. What means, suppose you know that Majagon Dock and also Cochin Shipyard, these all are parallel stocks. So they have only one way, whether they will go up or go down, because they are both are parallel related. So when you see Majagan Dock, it was increased and Cochin Shipyard also increased, and same way double or triple returns were made. And mine also, I made a 3.5 lakhs to around 10 lakhs. This is my profitable history, and even in that also I lost around 5 lakhs. And my total profit when I am exiting from the market, so it was a 3 lakhs. So why I did I exit from the market? Because the profitability was not consistent. My strategies. So I took a break, and then again I entered into the market. Again I lose the 2 lakhs I invested. I lost again almost 1.5 lakh. Then after 2 years I'm doing the trading, and P&L will be like here and there. So I did one next month trading. I just record 50 to 60,000. I transferred the money to another account. So I am with some amount of I don't have any money in the my pocket. Later again Iran, I thought that that time I had 1 lakh and made 1.5 lakh. So what of the earlier is there? So I recovered it, and again I made a 3 lakh 10,000 profit. Still my strategies are not working, so I just quit the market for a short period of time. So why the market is not giving returns to the retail investor? See, we are. See, we are. Why I'm saying is, we are the people who started the trading of 2018, and we have a strategies where only if it is running bull, we'll go bull run. If it is running bear, we'll go bear run. We are very good at that. So when that is called trend. Today, I'm going to explain the what to do in the market. So what to make yourself a profitable trader. Second thing, how to minimize the losses. These all things we will discuss in a series of events. So this video is starts about, if you are a new trader, you bring a capital of 50,000 and you do the equity. It's a best, if you doing equity, continue with the equity. Don't go to the FNO, because you can say that if if you go to FNO, what happens is you don't know how to do the risk management and intraday. These two things are very very double-edged swords, where you can earn a lot of money, where you are going to lose a lot of money, because this game is called a zero sum game. It means never winning game. Why they call zero sum game means, you don't manage your risk in that particular event. It goes to a zero sum game. And one more thing, when you're a beginner in the stock market, and it is a very important video for beginners when they start into the market. Suppose if you get a 1000 rupees first time by using 10,000 capital, that is a good thing if you're doing a directly FNO. But that don't worry, the 10,000, whatever you earned, total going to wipe out one day. But whether you learned something or whether what you did, see, market indicates only one thing, it's a price action. And market, how you are behaving with market is very important. Suppose market is going up and you wanted to make the market to go down. Is it possible? Not possible. So, but you made a trade that it's a downtrend. So I make a downtrend as a against the market. You did it and you lost the money. In this context, so like me, who has a trend, so we will hold the trend. So with 1 lakh also we made a 7 to 8 lakhs at a single shot because I know that today market is fully it will go up. So holding a position for a very long period will give a significant return. So that's where the fruitful things will happen. But this is not happens every time. So market mostly sideways. So this is the where at least you are following the trend. You are earning some money. That is good. Initial stages. There you learn the what are the setbacks you have, and you won't lose more money. Okay. And one more strategically you can do is for a beginner, there is no trend for some period of time. Okay. There is no trend in some period of time. But your intention to have to put money and I have to do something with that money, either loss or either profit. What you can do is see, your impulse is more. You have a compulsion to do a trading. In that case, what to do? So, my choice is that is a sideway market and see the swings, how it is moving. Second thing, what you have to do is when the swings are there, at least on that day, only take one trade. So, either last trade or profit trade. Don't make multiple trades on that day. Because if you don't have a trend on that day, you will lose more money than anything because you will go to put when the market is going down, but it won't go down. It will go 2 to 3 points again, it will go to call point and it will go up and then it will stuck there and again it will come down. So you will change on your position to put to call to put, where the euro lose a almost significant amount of money. This is not good for you. Okay. And expiry things will not be suitable for the beginner traders because they don't know trend. There is no way that they can earn more money because swing trades are more dangerous to the beginners because they don't know how to do a swing trade because a mind is prepared for the only trend trade, and this is trend trade also will not be understood by beginners. So don't do gambling in the market. Gambling will be a very 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 problematic thing. One more thing is stop loss. So beginners, even me also, I won't keep stop loss because that's not become a habit. But I will cut my position with strike off. That is there within my limits. Earlier it was not there, but now I am doing it. But I decided to keep a stop loss which I am required. So let me explain the options. Futures and options are the segments which is a derivatives. So these derivatives are very critical and returns are very massive. So suppose you have 5 lakhs, 20% is the 1 lakh profit you will get. So if you have 5 lakhs, today you will invest in 1 lakh. That is not guaranteed because you might lose 1 lakh also. So how to do marketing? So this video will be closed now and I will make another video to explain the how to get into the market, how to do the things and taking the things in a hand.